Hello fam, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be pressure washing our work bus and our home. We're starting off with the bus because it was quicker to just do that first, and then we're going to do our home. If you're new to this channel, hi and welcome. My name is Sharetta. This is my main channel. I do have a vlog channel which is called glamour_76 vlogs. I always have that channel link in my description box below. Also in my description box below, I have the playlist for everything we've done so far to our forever home when we first got our home. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't been following us for long and you would like to get caught up on all the videos, I'll have that playlist link below. Like I said, all that information is always linked below with some discount codes to Temu. What's that other one? Fetch. I love Fetch, guys. So if you want that information, check out the description box below after you finish watching this video. So like I said, we're cleaning off our work bus. Once that's done, we're going to start on our home. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. We started off cleaning the bus because the new school year was going to be starting up soon, so we wanted to get it nice and clean for the upcoming school year. We do transport students after school transport, so we wanted to get that done and get that out the way before we start on the house. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Hello guys. I know we showed a clip of me pressure washing our work bus, and now I'm about to pressure wash and give our home a bath. As you can see, it got a little dirt on it, and I just want to go ahead and get some of that dirt and stuff off of it. Over here, got a little bit of dirt right there. And I'm gonna just pressure wash the whole house. And look guys, got a little rose bush. And also I found some blueberries at Ace Hardware. So it has a little 1 or 2 blueberries on it. Probably next year we probably have good blueberries. But hey guys, look at this view. It's wonderful. Wonderful. Our garden is over there. But as you know, people in the country burn trash. Keep from going to the trash dump so often. So I bought this burn barrel just to burn like paper and stuff in it. What I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start pressure washing the house. It's got kind of a little bit of dirt on it. So, but the bus came out real nice, squeaky clean. And I'm just gonna do the front of the house. And I'll be right back at you guys after I get started.
Pressure washing our home is just one of the ways that we're going to beautify our home for the outside. We also going to plant some shrubs right here up front. We're not going to do any flowers. We're just going to do shrubs, very low maintenance. We do have flowers on the side here that I got from my grandmother's house. And we also have some roses that we purchased that we're going to have on the side. But as far as the front, we're just going to do shrubs. Like I said, it's very, very low maintenance. And these are the flowers that I was referring to. And then after that, we plan on, getting a barn kind of slash shed, and it's going to be really, really nice, guys. We also going to do a paved driveway. We're going to put up a fence. So we have a lot of projects in the future that we plan on doing for the outside.
All right, what I got in this jug is it's a mixture of bleach and water, half and half. And that's what I use to spray on the house. It not only cleans, it gives it a good bleachy smell.
Get over here, Bruno. And eventually, guys, we're going to change the shutters. We haven't decided what color we're going to get, but we're just going to leave the shutters that we have now. We're just going to paint them for right now. And then maybe later on, we was thinking about getting like wood shutters.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get this door.
Okay. It's always important to pressure wash your home, especially a mobile home or a stick built home that has vinyl siding, because it will get really dirty and it just takes away from the home. So we try to pressure wash mainly in the summertime to get all that dirt and debris off of the home to keep it looking, nice on the outside. So yeah, it's very important that if you have a mobile home or a stick built home that is has vinyl siding, to every so often pressure wash it. Like I said, we like to do ours in the summertime, and you're also going to see him pressure wash the front door. You can do that. If you have, we had some staining on the door. Eventually we're going to replace the front door and this side door, but right now we just, pressure washing and cleaning it up until we get new ones. But yeah, it's very, very important to pressure wash your mobile home to keep it looking really nice, because once it gets really dirty, have all that mold and mildew on it, well, dirt on it, it just really takes away from your home. It looks really like unkept, and we don't want that look. Like I said, we have plans to do a lot of other things to the outside of our home to make it really nice. Just like you take care of your inside, I feel like the outside of your home should look nice too, because initially that's what people see first when they come to your home. They see the outside. They don't see inside yet. They see the outside of the home. So we're going to do a lot of improvements to the outside of our home to make it really nice when people first drive into our driveway. Like I said, we're gonna pave our driveway. It's just, but you guys to see all of that. We have a lot of plans for the inside and outside of our home, and we definitely would take you guys along with us. Since we've been out here in the country, our fur baby has really enjoyed being out in this open air. He thinks the little bugs is his friend, and that's what he's doing right now, trying to catch bugs. It's so funny seeing him do that. But we love the fact that he gets to roam around out here in the country, even though we eventually will be getting a fence. But he's really been enjoying just running around freely out here and enjoying this nice country fresh air.
this is the after. I pressure washed the house. Um, smells so good. Smell bleachy. Smells so good. And I ran out of bleach, so I'll finish up the back. I got the back and the other side to do. I just ran out of bleach, but this is the after shot. You guys might can't tell, but it looks a whole lot cleaner and smells good. So we gave Forever Home a nice, good bath, if you want to say. But yeah, everything looks good. I just got to do the other side tomorrow. I just ran out of bleach and it's late in the afternoon. I got to do this side and then the back. And she will have a full cleaning.
I hope you guys have enjoyed spending some time with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit the notification button so you won't miss any uploads. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.